What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are pulling out the bird. It is a beautiful day in the sky. I got the Silverado sitting out there. We got the bird right here. We got a little upgrade we're going to do to her, just stepping it up a notch. So we're going to go ahead and pull her out. Pretty much what we're going to do today is we're going to take these license plates and get rid of them because, yes, we have custom plates. So once I get them installed, let me know what you guys think about the custom plates. I may be in the market to look for a different custom plate. So if you have any suggestions, go ahead and throw them in the comments down below. Let me know what you think of the ones that I'm going to replace this with. All right, so now let's get in the car. We're going to do a cold start. We're going to pull her out into the driveway, get out in the sunlight, and get those plates swapped out. I did just get her cleaned up, so she looks pretty good. Did remove the spikes, so I am kind of digging. I kind of think I like it better like this. You tell me if y'all like it without the spikes better. I do got to get some better window cleaner. The spots aren't coming out. Let's get over here and get my plates. Tell me what you think of them. Oh, bam! We got one sick bird. For one, the black plates look way better than those. What's funny is they actually denied me. They denied me the first time getting these plates. Said it could be offensive to others or something like that. So I had to write them an email telling them no, that basically describes the car. Had to send them photos and all this, and it took about a month for them to actually say, okay, yeah, we'll send you the plates. So channel, we are getting up there. I think we're like 160. So thank all y'all for joining the channel and watching the content. I have a race coming up this weekend, so we're gonna go watch Birdman race this weekend tomorrow, but you probably won't see it until Sunday or so. So we get that footage, we get more racing footage, more F-body Trans Am footage, get all that in there. This is my first video that I'm making since I came back from Hobbs, New Mexico. So yeah, thank you guys. I do have some custom bolts coming to make it look better, so hopefully that helps out. Oh yeah, big difference. Oh yeah, now I just need to either get a turbo or a cam in there. So I need to know what y'all think. Cam, turbo? Let me know in the comments down below. Make sure you hit that thumbs up. Cam or turbo? Need to know. I'm thinking cam, but I'm also thinking turbo. So help me decide. One of them's gonna happen. Maybe you can help me get there. All right, let's get the front situated. Hey guys, so let me know what you think of the custom plates that we got on here. The one sick bird. I know right now she's still kind of basic and the build in progress, but she will live up to the name, I promise you that. Let me know what you guys think. If you have any other suggestions, drop them in the comments down below. I did remove the spikes from the wheels, as some people like, some people didn't like. Well, most people seemed like they wanted the spikes out. So I pulled them out, and I think she looks good. Let me know what you think. I do need some slotted rotors in there. Turbo or cam? Let me know which one we should do in here, guys. Turbo or cam? It's up to you. You decide.